Residences along Ayala Avenue, Makati, just an elevator ride away from everything you need. We have SM Save More inside the building, where you can conveniently buy groceries for your basic needs. One of the best things about this condo is the direct access to SM Mall. And here's the good news. We have promo discount this week. Only few units left in Makati area. Our Makati condo is one of the top performing Airbnb business in town. You'll often see guests lining up during check-in time. And it's not surprising because the location it's right in the heart of Makati area along Ayala Avenue, close to offices and leisure like Greenbelt. As a bonus, the unit already comes with split-type aircon, microwave, refrigerator, electric cooktop, range wood, kitchen cabinet, provision for water heater. This property is lifetime ownership. Take a look with our sample actual units here in Air Residences. To reserve a unit, the only requirements is government-issued ID and sign form. We can set a Zoom presentation to know more about the details. Contact us now on the number that you seen on my screen. Again guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.